Hello, friend and fellow singer. My name is Dr. Dan, and you're only one click away from the best singing week of your life. Now, I know that's a big statement, but I truly believe that when we actively develop our voice with purposefully designed vocal exercises, our singing becomes more enjoyable. I believe it because I've been witness to it each and every day with my private singing students from across the globe for the past 25 plus years. And that's why I'm keen to spread the love and give you access to these truly transformative vocal exercises and activities. Now, at this point, it would be reasonable to ask, well, what's the catch? Truth be told, there is none. It's completely free. Now, make no mistake, free doesn't mean easy. Your voice will only improve if you dedicate yourself to the process and discipline of vocal development. There is no magic wand. You are going to have to be active. Put in the work over the next 7 days, and I know you'll see results. So if you're ready to develop your voice and improve your sound, simply provide your name and email address, and I'll send you the first day's instructions via email straight to your inbox. I'm so excited to commence this transformational vocal journey with you. Let's get started.